He sold his dog, his best friend, to survive. और उसको वापस पाने की चाह में he gave Hollywood the ultimate underdog story that's loved by generations even today. शुरू करें. 1970s California. Like any other struggling actor, Mike was chasing a dream too. A few roles here and there, but nothing big. Now imagine this: rent $300, wife pregnant, and dog, of course, hungry. और जेब में सिर्फ $106. With a heavy heart, he sold his dog to a stranger for $60. Food on the table, but tears in his eyes. He promised himself he'll come back for his best friend. फिर एक दिन माइक को एक फाइट देखने का मौका मिला. मोहम्मद अली वर्सेस चक वेपनर. What blew his mind was it was not just an ordinary fight. The fight wasn't about winning. It was about not giving up. वो इतना इंस्पायर हुआ कि घर जाके उसने अपने आप को 3 दिन तक लॉक कर लिया. और जब निकला तो उसके पास 90 पेजेस की स्क्रिप्ट रेडी थी. उसको पता था ये स्क्रिप्ट सब कुछ बदल सकती है, but only if he played the role. Mike begged producers to read it. They loved the script but laughed at him playing the hero. Of course, he was a nobody. उन्होंने Mike को $100,000 ऑफर किए, $250,000 ऑफर किए, $365,000 ऑफर किए. Mike needed the money, but he was not going to sell his dream. No Mike, no movie. Finally, producers ने हाँ कर दी. Mike will be the lead. And first thing he did, he went searching for his best friend, his dog, and looked for him until he found the man who had once he'd sold it to, and literally begged to sell it back to him. Twist तो आना ही था. That man knew that Mike's time is turning, and he asked for $3,000. अब Mike के पास तो इतने पैसे थे ही नहीं. So the man said, "Okay, मुझे अपनी मूवी में एक रोल दे दो." And that's how Mike got his dog back, and the man a role in the movie. And also, dog got a cameo in it too. Shoot starts. Movie was shot on a shoestring budget of $1 million, handheld cameras, single takes, cast members जो family वाले लोग थे, any possible way to save money. And the day arrives, the movie releases, and the whole Hollywood erupts, cheering for an underdog story by an underdog. The movie went on to receive 9 Oscar nominations, won 3, and grossed over $200 million. Whoa! The man who sold his dog to survive and later went on to give us the greatest underdog story ever. Today we know him as Sylvester Stallone, and that movie was Rocky.